Alright, this is just an instructional video on how to place a pin on the Google map. And what I have here is our syllabus, and I've got the link to our Google map. And what I want you to do is to open up the syllabus and then hit Control and then your mouse key to open up the map. And I already have the map open here. Just bring it up. Okay, so this is our Google map that we'll be working on. So what you can see here, and I'll first tell you, you can scroll in and out of this map by using your roller bar on your mouse. This is really the geographical area we'll be working with. So Italy and Sicily, Athens, the southern part of Greece, another team will have the northern part of Greece, and then the last team will have the Aegean Sea and Ionia, which is this area in modern-day Turkey. Okay, so when you click on the map, what you might need to do is to log into your university email. Once you do that, you will see this little area up here. And I know that my screen is sort of cutting off these a little bit. The most important one is this point called Add Marker. And what you need to do to place a pin is to click on Add Marker. And what you can see is a little crosshair. Now I'm going to bring the map in for closer, and I want to go down into Athens, and what I'm going to be doing is placing a pin at the Theater of Dionysus. So what I want to do here is just place my crosshair here, click on it, and you can see this little dialog box opens up. So our first pin, I'll just name it point 1. And this will be a red pin. If you look on the syllabus, it gives the different colors for the different points. So I'm going to change the color in just a bit. If you look at the syllabus, what you need to do is put what it is, Theater of Dionysus, and then your full name. And then down in the bottom, you need to write 4 sentences about the date, when it was constructed, a little bit about the site, and then you also need to give a URL to your archaeological essay that you've already written. So what I'm going to do is give a site here, which is my website, and then if you look on the syllabus, what you also need to do is add a picture of the site. So I'm going to add an image, and there's a couple of different places you can get. You can get a webcam, image URL. I'm going to grab one from my computer, and I have a folder open already. And let me just go down to the Theater of Dionysus. And what it's doing is it's uploading the photo right into the map. And as soon as you see the little select button go full blue, it's done. Okay. So now you can see that I've got the point on this map. And what I also want to do is, let's see, I want to add something else to this map. Now, if you remember, I told you that what you can do for some of these maps, if you know of a YouTube video that discusses this site, then it would be really good to add it, because the whole point of this is to make the map interactive. And so I just happened to find a video on the Theater Dionysus. I'm going to copy the video URL just by right-clicking on the video and hit copy and allow access. And then I'm going to go back to our map. And under More is where you can add a YouTube video. So click More. I'm going to just paste the map, and there it is. And then I'm going to hit Select. Okay, so what you can see in this point now is you've got 2 of 2. If you scroll back, you can see, oops, let me just move this up here. You can see the image I uploaded. If you scroll, you can also see the video. If you click on play, it will start playing. And when you're done adding all of the 4 sentences and your URL and the image and a possible video, then hit save. And what came up over here on this other dialog box is the point. Now if you remember, the point 1 which is the first point, and that's due next Sunday. You change the color of the point by just clicking on that paint can and making it red. And so now if I just close this, you can see I've got 2 points here, and I'll delete these when we start working on this. So when I go to grade, I will scroll into these areas and look for the red points. Now the week after is a different color. After that, you are done. So you added your points. The map automatically saves, and when I go to grade, what I'll be doing is looking at these geographical areas for your points. I will scroll into the map, and then what I'll do is I will click on your individual points or pins, whatever you want to call them. I will read your essay. I will look at the material that you put in here, and then I will also click on the URL that goes directly to your team website and your particular archaeological essay.